Hey guys, it's Alex Diaz here, member of 3 Point Real Estate. Thanks for joining me today as we highlight this 5-bedroom, 3-bath home with 3,120 square feet. But let's stop talking. Let me show you the inside. Come on in. Welcome to 204 Hummingbird Way here in American Canyon. I love the neighborhood here because of the eateries that are nearby. You have 58 restaurants within 5 miles, and that includes Mexican, pizzas, American restaurants, Asian foods, seafoods, and then you have your cafes, coffee and tea houses, Italian foods, and other international restaurants. But all those are within a 5-mile radius, making this property prime location because of it. Location. I love how it's a very convenient area. Some of the daily errands in this location may require a car, but most major services are within, believe it or not, just 1 mile. You have a gym, dry cleaners, coffee spot, banks and ATMs, grocery stores all within 1 mile. Then you have the hospital, gas stations, pharmacy, and movie theaters between 1 to 3 miles, which is perfect location. The great outdoors. Let's talk about the great parks nearby. You have 10 parks, 8 golf courses, and 2 dog parks, all within 10 miles of the home. I love the location because you don't have to go far to have some fun, and even if you want to have a good day with the family, you are just so close to having that fun. Also, the schools. I love how the schools are so close. They're so close because you have 8 private schools and 2 charter schools within 5 miles. You have the Donaldson Elementary School, which is about 1 mile away. You have the American Canyon Middle School, less than half a mile away. It's literally at your doorsteps. And then you have the American Canyon High School, which is about approximately 2 miles away. Just 3 minutes away, you have the biking and walking trails that gives you a great view of the Napa River and the wetlands surrounding the area. For more information, email me at alex@3pointrealestate.com. Have a great one. Thanks for watching.